I'm giving away $100 to the best setup this month, and I want you to help me pick the winner. Much better. The monthly winner then moves on to the annual grand finale for some kick-ass prizes. So all you gotta do is comment below on which setup should win the setup of the month. Really all you need to do is just 1, 2, 3, or 4. Let's do this. All right, first up is Bekrah, and he has an amazing setup. Looks like he's in some sort of like basement art gallery or something. He's got some great taste in some art, and he's definitely got a display down there in his basement. So first off, in this pic, my eye is immediately drawn to the chair, which is the Respawn RSP 900 reclining gaming chair. Now, Amazon has it right now for about $270, which is pretty good. It looks kind of comfortable. I don't know if it's comfortable or not, but it does have some good ratings, so check it out. The TV he has on the wall is an LG C9, which is a 65-inch OLED 120 Hz display that he put some RGB strips behind and even made his own wallpaper, Bekrah-tainment. He also has a sign over there on the left to Bekrah, and it looks like his friend is sad right there. He doesn't get any playing time. You know, don't be a dick, Bekrah. Throw your statue friend a controller. Speaking of controllers, he's got a Steam controller, a custom DualShock 4, an Xbox One Elite, and a Razer Araju Ultimate. Nice. Looks like we also have a Logitech lover. He's displaying a G604, the G502, the G703, and the G900, and also the MX Master 3, along with a Rocat Leader and a Swift Point Z. Jeez. Speakers are the Logitech G560. They seem to be pretty popular. I feel like he needs some bigger speakers though, mounted on the wall or in the corners or something. Maybe a 5.1 speaker system could make this little corner of his art gallery basement bumping. I love the cable management here. As you can see, he's got some cable channels on the wall, and he also painted it to match the wall, which is awesome. Kind of blends in real nice. Another thing that stands out is that AZERON gaming keypad. I've never tried one of these, and I wonder how it would be compared to a keyboard. I would take some time getting used to, programming all the keys and movements and actions, but I think I might like it. It might be a little different than, just playing on the keyboard, and we'll have to give it a try one of these times. Now let's take a look at his PC. That case is the Thermaltake Level 20 GT, and he's rocking an Intel i7 8700K, an NZXT Kraken X62, an AORUS 2080 Ti, MSI Z370 GODLIKE gaming motherboard with some G.SKILL Trident Z 32 gigs at 3600 megahertz speed. Now fans are the Thermaltake Ring Pluses. Nice job, Bekrah. Number 2 is Medieval Saucery. That's an interesting name. And he has 4 monitor racing simulator setup, it looks like. He's got a VKB Gladiator, a Razer Tartarus V2, CH Products Pro Throttle, a Valve Index VR, and a Logitech G920, the wheel, pedals, and the shifter that he modded. And it looks like he put a Shiner Bock tap handle, looks like it on it. Bonus points if he hooked it up to a keg. Keyboard is the Ducky 1-2 in white, and looks like he even has all the displays and even a Pioneer CD player. The hell? That's awesome. Surprised if that thing even still runs. Now on to the best part of his setup, I think, is his PC. Look at that thing, what a work of art. I love the white and gold look. And those fan covers are the cherry on top. Love the design. Love the custom power cables too. Looks like he even painted the middle cover on the AIO pump gold on the Lee & Lee Galahad 240. This case is the Lee & Lee 011D Mini. It has an MSI Z270 SLI, an Intel i7 7700, and some gold G.SKILL Trident Royals, 32 gig at 3200 megahertz RAM. GPUs he's rocking are the Zotac 270 Super and the MSI Radeon RX 560. Looks like he even has a screen in there. Nice work, Medieval. Coming in at number 3 is Bykow, and looks like he's using this as a flight simulator on his giant Samsung G9 monitor. Looks like he has a Logitech flight rudder pedals along with a pair of VKB Gladiator NXT premium joysticks, and that's all sitting on the Monster Tech table mounts. He's got a beautiful Jarvis oak wood, it's a sit-stand desk. When he's not standing, he's enjoying his brand new Harman Miller embody chair, which are really expensive chairs, but probably worth it. You know, if it's like 100 little angels supporting your ass and back all day, you know what? I'd pay for that. Speakers are the popular Logitech G560, along with a lot of other Logitech products like the Logitech Pro X headset, the Pro mouse, the Logitech G PowerPlay, which charges your mouse while gaming, which is sweet. He's also got the Logitech StreamCam. That keyboard is the Drop Control, which I heard is pretty good. Let's look at his PC, which is running Arch Linux. Now, case is the Fantex Entho Evolve X. CPU is the Ryzen 5950X, cooled by the NZXT Kraken Z73. Motherboard is the Asus ROG Crosshair 8 Dark Hero. He's got 64 gigs of G.SKILL Trident Z Neo RAM with a power cooler 6900 XT Red Devil GPU. Nice. Now, fans are the Lee SL120 Uni fans. Bykow said that the Poro plushie was made by his girlfriend. Nice setup, Bykow. Last but not least is number 4 setup by Xypod. It looks like the ever so popular IKEA desktop along with some IKEA Alex drawers. Now, Xypod is a huge fan of Titanfall, as you can see with his displayed picture of Titanfall 2's Jack Cooper, and even rocking the wallpaper. I like his attention to cable management. As you can see, his TV cables above are in cable raceways, and they're painted the same color as the wall to blend in. Also mounting the power strips and cables in an IKEA tray. I'm assuming he's an audiophile with his Beyerdynamic DT990 headphones. He's also got a Scarlett Solo and a Schiit Magni Heresy. The mouse he's rocking is the Logitech G502 Lightspeed. I feel like this episode is sponsored by Logitech. A lot of Logitech in this episode's setups. Keyboard is the Corsair K65 RGB Rapid Fire, and sitting on the SteelSeries Prism Cloth XL. And the mic is a newer NW7000, and it's an XLR mic. Now let's take a look at this PC over there. The case is the NZXT S340 Elite, and it has the Asus B450F motherboard, along with some Ryzen, the 2600 CPU, 16 gigs of Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro RAM, NZXT Kraken X62 AIO, and a Gigabyte 3070 Master GPU. Nice work, Xypod. If you want a chance to win $100 and a kick-ass setup, well, instructions below on how to submit. Good luck, everyone.